Happy day students. This is the part 3 video of lesson 7 advanced features of Excel. In this video we are going to discuss about consolidating the data and how to group the sheets and how to ungroup the sheets, and based on the grouping of sheets how we are going to consolidate the data. So all these things we are going to discuss in this very particular video. Let's get into the video. Here I am going to show you how to group the sheets first of all. To consolidate the data in a different worksheet, it is essential to group the worksheets. Press and hold down the Shift key and click on the Sheet 3 tab. Now I am clicking on Sheet 1. Here I am pressing the Shift button and I am clicking on Sheet 3. Can you see the change? Can you observe the change? Here all the sheets are grouped together. Okay, these three sheets are grouped together. Now, enter the main heading, field names and common subheadings which you want to display in all the three sheets. Okay, now I am going to enter the following thing. First quarter sales 2013. So, I want the same heading to be visible in all the three sheets. So, I am going to give the common field names also. Jan, Feb, March. So I'm going to give some of the car names also. So the first one is Honda City and the next one is Alto. So this is how I'm going to give the common headings. So these three will be visible in all the three sheets respectively. I'm doing some font changes over here in order to make it visible. Okay, I'm just increasing the font size and giving it as merge and center. Okay, can you able to see this? So this heading will be available in the all the three sheets, sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. So what I'm going to do next is, later on I'm going to ungroup them. How I'm going to ungroup them? Now I'm placing the cursor in any one of the sheets and I'm right clicking on it, and can you see the ungroup sheets at the bottom? Okay, so I'm just giving ungroup sheets. So in the sheet 1 also you are seeing first quarter sales 2013 and some of the common headings. So in the sheet 2 also you are observing the same thing. Look at the sheet 3 when I am clicking on it. In the sheet 3 also we are getting the same kind of data. So what I am going to do is, I am going to click on sheet 1 tab and enter the data now. So I am going to give the data as, here I am going to give 450 followed by 800, then 900. So for Alto I am giving 100, 120 and 200. What I have to do next is, I am going to sheet 2 and I am just changing the heading over here. This is the (2014). So I'm giving the value as 2014 over here. And the common headings, so I'm going to give the values for January as 900 and the second one for February as 1600, and for March I'm just giving the value as 2000. So what I'm going to do next is, I'm going to sheet 3 tab and I'm going to change the heading now. So how I'm going to change the heading? As such given in the book, your textbook. So first I'm going to give the heading as consolidating first quarter sales. This is for the year 2013 to 2014. So I'm just giving the year also. Okay. So now can you see the changes which I have made? So it is available over here. Okay. So the next thing is what I'm going to do is I'm just going on to select the cell, particular cell. This is B13. In the sheet 3, I'm selecting B13, that is near Honda City. I'm just selecting the cell. Then I'm going to give data tab. So here I'm going to click data tab. Here I'm going to select the consolidation from the data tools. From the data tools, you can easily identify the consolidate. The dialog box will get open. In the function, you have to select sum. In the reference, you have to select sheet 1. What are all the values you are going to add? So I'm going to add these values. So I'm going to add these values. I'm going to click add. Okay, again I'm going to give sheet 2 and the same set of values for Honda City. I'm just giving, and again I'm clicking add, and I'm going to click OK. Please observe the change in sheet 3. Can you observe the change in sheet 3? These values of Honda City had been added and here the value was given. So this is the easiest way where you can do the consolidation in Excel. Likewise, you can group the sheets or you can ungroup the sheets, and you can give the common data in one of the sheets, and that will be visible in the all other sheets. So this is how we are going to do the consolidation of data. I hope this video will be helpful for you all. Thank you so much for listening this video. Have